The main reason I would recommend BDS was their forthrightness. They're not going to try to sell you a product. They're not going to try to rope you into contracts you don't need. They're going to come in, review what you have, right-size your fleet, and show you what's available. The problems we were hoping to alleviate by bringing BDS on as a vendor was the downtime of our current fleet. Time to repair, service time, and basically just the age of the fleet causing problems campus-wide. Since we started using BDS, the impact on the university's business has been extremely beneficial to us. Devices are available when needed. Nobody's going outside the university to private print vendors to print their work because it's available. We had issues in the past with the devices not being available. Support has been top-notch, so we are always ready to have the printers running as needed. One word to describe my experience with BDS would be positive. The positivity of the sales team, the technical expertise and the positivity of the installation team, and just the positivity of my team during the installation process that was involved was contagious. Our staff, as well as our users, were very positive once the new devices were in place and proving that they would do the job needed. What really convinced me to sign up with BDS was the couple of meetings we had with our rep as well as with the head of BDS that showed us they were vested in what they were going to do for our university. Starting from refreshing our fleet with newer devices, providing support on a regular basis, as well as a 20-point checklist. BDS was vested in the well-being of the university's community. Whether it be supporting us via the hardware they deployed or being involved in events on campus. Anybody could be a vendor of choice, but being part of the community is what made BDS stand apart from other vendors.